Welcome back, fellow crafters. It is your Hello Queen speaking, and I have a little bit of happy mail here. It's a little different than what we've seen before, but I think you'll still enjoy it. Stick around. And we're back. Okay, so this actually came in yesterday, which was what is today? I don't know, it's Wednesday in July. Wednesday the 9th? No, the 8th. Wednesday the 8th, I think. I don't know. It's a Wednesday in early July. It actually came in yesterday. I don't remember when I ordered it. I will put it up on the screen. And I'm only guessing that I'm right here. But I think this is a cover reminder I got from Etsy. I know I ordered it from a local company. Well, relatively local, on my side of the border. So let me get this out here. Addresses. It is. It comes from Dee Dee's Needle Minders. Yes, that's what I thought. And I paid $8.75 plus tax, which came out to $9.89 for one needle minder, because I just wanted to check her out. Comes in with a thank you sticker, which I appreciate. You are quite welcome. And, oh, come on. These there. So for those of you who are not aware, what needle minder is for cross stitching. When we use them for diamond painting, they're called cover minders, but they're really the same thing. They are meant to keep something in place. And that is what I got. See? Witchy woman. Because I am. So neat. Dee Dee's Needle Minder collection. Not to be used with any other needle notion. Okay. So I'm probably going to end up using this more as a cover minder, but the idea, let me get out my cross stitch. First, let me show you what the cross stitch is, and I will link where I got the pattern. This is the cross stitch I'm working on, because of course I am. This is my very first cross stitch project, and I found out afterwards that I'm not supposed to leave it in the hoop, so I will be taking it out of the hoop. That's as much as I've done so far. But basically, these are a plaque with a magnet on this side, and you put it on one side of your project and put the magnet underneath. And that way you can have it hold onto your needle while you're doing that. So, which this does. So I'm going to leave that there. But when you're using it for diamond painting, you can use it to mind your cover, and that's why, because it is completely conformed to that space there. Okay. When you're using it for diamond painting, you would put the back magnet under your diamond painting, and then you can put the front one on top of your cover that's folded back so that it stays in place. And that's what it's for. So I am very happy with this. It looks like it's well made. That is, I see a little bit of glue spillage there, but I don't know how easy that'd be to avoid. But I love Witchy Woman. Love the little serifs on the font. Let's get that right up in there. And little ornaments in the H and the O. I love it. I love it. Thank you so much, Dee Dee. And I will make sure that I put your stores in the comments. And the doobly-doo, the thing, the more information. So thank you for joining me for this video. I know it was short, but it's one simple thing that works exactly as it's supposed to, so it doesn't require a whole lot of explanation. Like this video if you enjoyed it, share it with your friends, subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you to those of you who have subscribed. I love seeing new faces around here. And I will see you in the next one. Bye.